Hey everyone, welcome to Devirai Technologies. This will be a very quick video where we'll learn how we can install the Microsoft Teams application to all the users in the organization using Microsoft Graph API as well as using the Microsoft PowerShell script. So first of all, you'll have to create a new app registration. Come to Azure Entra ID, create a new app registration, select single tenant and then register. Once it is registered, you will lead to such a page on the overview. Go to API permissions and then add these three permissions. Basically, the first permission that is user.read will already be added. You can get rid of this, but these two permissions are required. One is user.readwrite all. Second is Teams app installation.readwrite. Okay, so once this is done, go to certificates and secrets, create a new app secret, and finally open up your PowerShell script. Alright, so this is a PowerShell script. It requires client ID. The client ID you can get it from here from the overview page. This is your client ID. Next requires tenant ID. Again, it's available on the overview page. Third one is the client secret. This one you can get it from certificates and secrets. You can create a new client secret and get its value. And finally, you need Teams app ID. This is not the bot ID, but the ID from the Microsoft Teams admin center. So let's go there. So when admin installs the bot on the Teams admin center, it generates an ID. One is the Microsoft app ID, and second one is the external app ID. Let me quickly show you once. Okay, let's suppose this is the application that I have installed, and this is the app ID that it needs. This external app ID is your bot application ID, which is part of the tenant where this bot has been registered from. Basically, this application is from a different tenant, but I have installed to another tenant. And when you install the in your another tenant, it generates an app ID. This is what is required over here. First, it gets the access token to authenticate with other Microsoft Graph services. In this case, the first one we are getting the list of all the users, and then we are getting the installation details of that user, if it is installed or not. And finally, we are installing the application. If at all there is an error in installing the application, we'll see the error here. Most probably, it can be permission issues, or the request is forbidden or unauthorized because of client secret. So there can be multiple of such errors which might occur. So that is all. Thanks everyone.